Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Miro app is and how it's positioned. The Miro app is a visual collaboration and online whiteboard platform developed by Miro, based on its official website and App Store listings. It is designed to help teams brainstorm, plan, and collaborate visually using shared boards in real time. According to official descriptions, users can create boards where they add notes, diagrams, images, and other content to organize ideas. The app also allows multiple users to collaborate simultaneously on the same board, which is consistently listed as a core feature across official sources. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official information, Miro includes templates for workflows such as mind maps, project planning, and agile boards. There are also features for commenting, tagging collaborators, and presenting boards directly within the app. The app supports integrations with tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Drive, and other productivity platforms. Some official descriptions mention AI-powered features for generating ideas or summaries, but availability may depend on plan type and updates. The app may also support cross-device syncing so users can access boards from desktop and mobile, although performance can vary depending on connection. This app may be useful for teams who want a flexible visual workspace for brainstorming and collaboration. For users interested in real-time visual planning and shared whiteboards, this could be an option. For users not working in collaborative environments, some features may feel unnecessary depending on use case. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.